This is Gary Atensi with CNTV, and today we're in Denver, Colorado. We're at the IDS Group. Since 2003, been providing stretch ceilings out there for folks, but then have evolved into quite a few things out here over the years. Now representing over 20 plus manufacturers from the United States, Canadian, and European. Let me ask you, what got you involved, first of all, back in the ceiling business?
It was interesting to explore the capabilities of creating 3D shapes. Typically, you cannot find attractive ceilings in Colorado, so we were looking for something new that would sparkle the interest, and then we got introduced to stretch ceiling concept, and then we went through training in Europe, and then we brought the concept back to Colorado.
Was it a natural progression to take it from the top ceilings and start filling in some things below as well?
We started with ceilings, and part of the ceilings is the aluminum framework, and then we got involved with other factories that supply other aluminum components like aluminum frame doors, as you see in the back. And then from that point on, it kind of grew into supplying kitchens to U.S. market, and then supplying wall coverings because they happen to be a sister company of one of the aluminum manufacturers. And today we probably have just a good group of companies that supply unique products.
That we're talking about for residential as well as commercial, is that correct?
That's correct. The unique thing about us is that we're manufacturers' representatives, so we're not a middleman. People buy from us, but they really get it directly from the factory. We're a first-hand source for them.
Let's start with the top and work our way down. Stretch ceilings. Our viewers out there maybe don't know what that is, and even more so, why a European stretch ceiling?
Well, simply because it's the concept that has been around Europe for the last 50 years. It's vaguely known to U.S. population, but it's the ceiling that carries 12-year warranty. That, you know, it's something that no one has out there. It's the product that is virtually indestructible. It's moisture resistant, stain resistant, water resistant, highly thermo efficient, has very high acoustical parameters. It's uniquely beautiful, and it allows us to create any shape.
So obviously that's one of the big things you do out there as far as those European stretch ceilings, but we're talking about other types of ceilings as far as the tiles and that type of thing. Tell me about that.
Correct. Basically, when the market was slow, we had to survive. So we introduced the stretch ceilings, but then people were coming in and they were asking for simple ceiling tiles. Well, we said, why not? And then we started selling many different ceiling tiles, and we probably have way over 1,000 different ceiling tiles in stock right now that are available to customers along with our stretch ceilings.
So then we move on down to the wall covering. Tell me about it. You guys have so many different colors to choose from, but we're not talking about just colors. We're talking about textures as well, correct?
Yeah, we're talking about colors, textures, and the feeling of the finish itself. It's very unique. The company that we represent here is from Austria. It's highly known in fashion design. Probably the best of the companies currently on a worldwide scheme overall, because they produce the most unique surfaces. That wall covering product is actually unique because it's not only your wall covering, but it's also used for furniture manufacturing, custom ceiling patterns, and any surfacing product you would see out there. So you probably have seen it all over places. You just didn't know that this is the product we carry.
Excellent. And we are sitting in one of the showroom samples. Let's talk about kitchen cabinets. I see some great stuff around me here. Looks beautiful. Tell me.
Simple concept. We're just trying to make European cabinetry affordable to people. Most of people think of European cabinetry as something that has to be outrageously expensive. It's just a dream that can come true. And we're telling everyone, hey, you know, we bring them, it's affordable, it's beautiful, it's top of the line quality, but anyone can afford it. If you can go to Home Depot and buy their kitchen, it means you can afford our kitchen as well. So just come in and check it out. That's the price level, but the quality is outstanding. Plus the variety that we offer is unheard of. We have over 4,000 different cabinet door styles, finishes, and colors.
Okay, this is obviously a dream kitchen, and you guys design those kitchens for people all the time. Tell me how you utilize software in helping put the thing together.
We have a three-dimensional software that actually allows you to completely visualize your kitchen, and you're not just getting a black and white drawing. You're getting 3D view that you can, scan on your computer, on your TV screen, and you can almost walk into your kitchen, turn things around, really get the feeling of it.
So you really know what you're getting before you guys go to work and make it happen.
Yeah, and typically all of the products that you see here I installed in my house first. I install them in my home, we test them first, and then we implement them into the market.
Excellent. And then we've got high pressure laminates that you guys have as well that basically tie everything in. Tell me.
High pressure laminates is just a little niche market where it's used for wall coverings, for countertops, for cabinetry. We supply it to furniture manufacturers. It's just an alternative, again, for people that want to do their own projects. We can supply laminates as the cabinetry product or as the wall covering product. So it's just a little additional element that can spice up your interior.
Excellent. So once somebody's got down to an idea of what they want as far as the computer, and they've looked at it, and they have, let's say, they're down to the top 3, are you able to provide them samples to go home with and decide about?
Absolutely. That's the unique thing about us. We work with 20 different manufacturers, and the warehouse that we have is just full of samples. We don't stock anything because everything comes directly from the factory, but the beauty is we stock all the samples they need in-house, so as soon as we get inquiry, it goes out within 24 hours, and we've got thousands of samples available to people.
If you've got remodelers out there, you've got builders out there, basically feel they can build their own boxes, or maybe they're going in to do a remodel, do you offer the cabinet doors as well, just by themselves?
Correct, and again, that's one of the unique situations that we provide. They can build their own boxes, so they can use their current boxes, and they can buy our beautiful European doors and use it as the face of their kitchen, and that makes it really cost-effective and unique. And then, considering the variety that we offer, they totally can customize the color or the style of the kitchen to whatever they always dreamed about.
Excellent. And we're even moving now into, you're talking about appliances, vanities, go in that direction as well.
Well, we offer packages for developers and also for people that just bought houses. Instead of shopping around for the major components, if they come here, we supply the appliances to them, as well as flooring and kitchen cabinetry, office cabinetry, bathroom cabinetry. And then if we have one customer who walks in, we can put together a nice package, give them discount all the way across on all of these products, and they're going to save a lot of money. Makes it beautiful and very affordable to them.
Viewers out there, basically their website is at the bottom of the screen right there, and we've been showing you a lot of samples that we've been talking here. Come down to their showroom down here in Denver and walk through and check everything out, touch some things. But honestly, if you go to the website, you can see a lot of their work there as well. Basically representing over 20 manufacturers, U.S., Canadian, as well as European. Probably all starts with a consultation. Would that be right, Gregory?
Correct. Yeah, the best thing would be to come to see us to feel the quality of the product, and then we can sit down and help with their needs.
You've got everything right there, folks. Also find them there on Facebook as well. They keep you apprised of anything they've got going on here. Phone numbers at the bottom of the screen right there. Give them a call. Gregory or his team down here will walk you through the steps and basically be able to take you from the ceiling all the way around down to the floor. They've got you covered everywhere. Anything you'd like to share with the viewers out there before we let them go?
Come in and check out our showroom. I'm sure you will enjoy what you find here. And basically, we're trying to make everything affordable, but also unique and beautiful.
Great business, folks. You can find them there on the Better Business Bureau as well. This is Gary Atencia with CNTV. And if you don't know, now you know.